Can we change the language on Alight Motion application? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you if we can change the language on Alight Motion application or not. So first thing, just make sure you have successfully downloaded this Alight Motion application from the Play Store. It's available for free on there, and simply open it. And once you get on this interface, you can see there is a hamburger icon at the top left corner. So once you click on it, you can see there are various options related to different things like about, privacy, settings. So you can check out each and every single one of them, and you can still find you cannot still find any option regarding the language. As you can see, I'm showing you in every single option. So there is no option available to change your language because it's by default built on English language, so you can't actually change anything regarding that section. So hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.